It's the second and final day of the BJP's National Executive Meeting in Odisha today. On the second day, Prime Minister Modi and BJP Chief Amit Shah are expected to underline strategy for a big saffron push in states like Odisha, where it has traditionally been weak. Prime Minister Modi will begin his day by offering prayers at the Lingaraj Temple at 9 in the morning. He will reach to meet the Janta at around 9:30 a.m. where he'll meet people, where the meeting will continue till 4 in the afternoon. Prime Minister Modi will leave from Bhubaneswar at around 4:20 p.m. The first day of the National Executive Meet was action-packed and kick-started by Prime Minister's roadshow from the airport to Raj Bhavan, covering a distance of about 8 kilometers. After a busy day in Odisha, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will embark on his two-day visit to Gujarat in the evening. Prime Minister will arrive at the Surat airport at 6:45 in the evening, and from then he will begin an 11-kilometer road show till the Circuit House, where he will meet state BJP leaders. On Monday, Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate 400 crore rupees Kiran Multi-Super Speciality Hospital and Research Centre, and from there he will go to Gujarat Hira Boards to inaugurate a diamond polishing unit. This will be Prime Minister Modi's second visit to his home state in 2017. Earlier, he had visited Gandhinagar on March 8 to address women sarpanchs from across the country on International Women's Day. As the BJP is readying its 2019 mission, it's a grand anti-BJP alliance in the making, and that is the big question. Well, the talk of such an alliance is gaining steam after Mayawati proposed an anti-BJP alliance. Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav on Saturday said, and I quote, he is ready for an alliance against propaganda. Remember, Mayawati had said on Friday that to stop BJP's juggernaut, she was open to cooperate with anti-BJP parties. Now it remains to be seen whether the Congress is also on board and whether a Mahagathbandhan will be the opposition's last resort.
झूठ के खिलाफ जिस तरह का झूठ देश में फैलाया जा रहा है, जिस तरीके से उत्तर प्रदेश की धोखे में सरकार बना ली, कोई न कोई इस तरह का रास्ता खुलना चाहिए राजनीतिक, और बड़ा चाहे हो, कोई न कोई ऐसा गठबंधन हो, रास्ता निकले, हम तो हर एक का स्वागत करने वाले लोग हैं.
There is a possibility of all secular democratic forces coming together and protest or resist the emerging communal totalitarian rule in India, and there is a possibility, and we will have to wait and see how fast this process will move forward and how the political forces are going to come together. We will have to wait.